Hey there, Aaron from GrowLawnUglyWeeds.com. Today I'm in Colleyville, Texas, and I'm going to show you what to do when your St. Augustine is struggling in your backyard and it's shaded. Maybe you have a little pet traffic. Let's get into this. Let's turn the camera around. A beautiful house in Colleyville. This customer has been with us for, I don't know, probably 10 plus years, maybe 15. And they've always struggled with grass in the backyard. As their landscape matured, it has created more and more shade. It's really hard to dial in the watering. If you're a lawn care professional, you have to be a ninja at opening gates. All right, so this is artificial turf, and it looks amazing. This is what to do between a house and a fence, or two houses that are close together. And as your landscape matures, which this one has, you're going to have a hard time growing grass. And this is the solution. I'll put a couple more solutions up here for you to check out. But the solution isn't St. Augustine or zoysia or some shade tolerant grass. It's something like this. Um, this looks really good. And I don't have any companies that I work closely with that install artificial grass yet. So if you're watching this and you're in the Fort Worth area, maybe give me a call. Here's another part over here that looks really good. Now, the downside to artificial turf is that you're not going to obviously mow it, so you're not going to break up these leaves and stuff. So you're going to have to blow it off, but that's not a big deal. I think in the long run, you're going to be super happy with this. Never we're going to be able to grow grass, especially in this area. This is really deeply shaded. Here's an example on the other side of the fence. You know, you're not going to grow grass there. So if you have a lawn care company that's recommending that you plant some sort of a zoysia in the shade or St. Augustine in the shade, just know that it has limits. And these grasses are full sun grasses. And of the full sun grasses, St. Augustine and zoysia tolerate some shade, but as it gets shadier, they get weaker. And so I don't recommend it. So go with something like artificial turf or some of these other solutions that I'm going to put up on the screen now. And that's what you can expect with Grow Lawn, is that we're not going to tell you lies about your lawn and just say you need to fertilize it more or do more aeration or whatever. That isn't the answer. The answer is planting the right grass for the right area, and you'll be happy in the long run. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. See you on the next one.